Hi, I'm Adam.
And this is Jamie for RC Logger.
Today we are going to show you the brand new Illumination flying kit, specifically designed for the NovaX 350. The kit is very intuitive. It's an app-based kit, so you can do a ton of different things. You can change your lighting around, all kinds of unique features with this, so we're pretty excited about it. We put a lot of work into it. Jamie is going to walk you through the app and how to get started.
So here we have the EyeControl app installed on our phone, and we're going to show you the Illumination kit section and show you kind of how that works and show you all the function that you can get out of the new Illumination kit. So all we're going to do is we're going to tap on that, and you'll see that we have a control panel now that shows up that shows you all the different features that you can do. We have steady, sync random, random, strobe, pulse, and running. And we're going to go through each one and explain how each one of them works and show you the features that you can do. Steady, when you click on it, is just what it says it is. There's a steady light that is held on the NovaX on each arm. And as you can see here in the center, it shows that that's a center. So if you make any change by tapping on this wheel, it will change to that color on the NovaX 350. If you want to customize each individual arm, you can do that. If you'll tap on an arm, then you can actually select the color you want for just that singular arm. So you can do the same on each arm, and you can adjust each color to be completely different. So it's a really nice thing. You can literally make each arm whatever color you want, and you've got full customizing going on there. So also too, you'll notice here on the screens as well, then there's a brightness as well, and you can actually slide this down to bring the brightness level of the lights down to the lowest setting, and you can also keep it on full brightness too. So another thing that we have is right here, if there's certain colors that you like a lot, then you can actually hit a plus sign and it will add the color that you have selected on the wheel, and you can actually scroll through and choose that color. So we're going to bring it back to the center and choose like a magenta color, and that brings all of the lights back to that solid color. So we're done there. The next portion is the sync random section. If we click on it, then it actually just begins to flow all the lights through a color sequence. All of them are the same on each arm, but they're continuously going through a random pattern of different colors. So if we choose random, then it actually makes each arm a completely different color and goes through that same motion of pattern, but each arm is doing its own color. So the next thing that we have is strobe. And if we go in here, then it's the same thing that we had in the original menu, and that we can choose each arm and choose whichever color we want. But also in here, then we have a flashing where we can choose a speed that we want for the lights to flash in like a strobe manner. And again, you can choose colors down here as well. And you can choose the speed, whether it be a slower speed or if you want it to be a faster speed. So the next one that we have is pulse, which is a slow fade in and out. And again, you choose a color and it will begin to do that pulsing. And you can choose it as a slower setting, or you can again adjust the speed to a faster setting. And once again, also adjust the brightness of the LEDs. Then the last one that we have is running lights, and that is where it runs from one arm to the next all the way around and goes in that pattern continuously. And again, the same features to where you can choose whatever color that you want for the whole unit or for each individual arm. And so you have these customized options throughout all of these menus. The only two that don't is sync and random, because they're already pre-set up for you. You just touch them and you are ready to go. So that pretty much covers it. A lot of customization that you can do with the Illumination kit for the NovaX 350 that allows you to set it just how you want it and put on a light show in the sky.